Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here with another update on our BTC pair trading through Liberium Crypto. So what is Liberium Crypto? Liberium Crypto is a social trading platform where you connect your API keys to an exchange. For example, in the near future you'll be able to connect your API keys to Wolf Financials. Wolf Financials has their token sale on the 9th of August. Follow their social links down in the description to stay updated. After connecting your API keys to the exchange, you get the option to choose a live trader. Every time this live trader does a trade, it mirrors the trade on your side. If you don't like the trade, you can just go and close it. If you've seen enough profit and the trader hasn't taken profit yet, you can go and take profit. If the market drops and you don't like the trade, you can get out of the trade, because some of the traders, since it's spot trading, don't close trades in a negative. And if you don't like the technology, all you need to do is cancel your API keys. And what's the benefit? Your funds stays in your exchange. It stays in your control. But let's get to the update and see what's happening in the markets and where we're standing. Looking at our BTC pair trading, there's a little bit of green, a little bit of red. The market is undecided today. We got a few trades to update, so let's start getting to it. We'll start working from the bottom up. The first one we're going to update is Tron BTC. Now on the Tron BTC, we got totally out of the market with Tron at the top point. We waited a bit and the market did drop. Now we're ready to get back in. So for the Tron trade, we're going to open a market order to get straight back into the market. If you want to see the trades, make sure to join Liberium Crypto. The link is also down in the description. I'm opening the Tron trade as we speak. Tron trade is open. People following me, you should get a Tron trade coming through as we speak right now. Just waiting for it to settle, and then I'm gonna get my entry point. So my entry on Tron was at 0.325. I'm gonna do my calculations, and then I'll know where my profit is and where my next trade is gonna get entered. Just putting calculations in. Go. Now update them all. There we go. So our Tron is updated. I'll take profit for this trade. I'm gonna enter that as we speak. So on Liberium Crypto, our first trade is totally updated. This is going to be our profit level. And our buy limit order, if the market do turn around, it's going to be at 312. So that's our Tron. So our Tron is back up and running, ready to roll. I'm just adding my buy limit order on the Liberium platform as well. Adding my take profit on that trade. So Tron is underway. I'm going to put my alerts back in place. So if the market moves, I know when to look at it. Our take profit alert is in place. Just adding our buy limit alert. So Tron is all set, everything is in place, and we're ready to move to the next one. The next one we're looking at is Matic. Matic has been quite volatile and giving us quite a bit of profit lately, but it seems like another buy limit order went through. Let's have a look at the Liberium side, making sure. Yes, our trade, let me just see, triggered, it seems, and already gave us profit as well. So it did trigger in this area shortly after my update yesterday, went up, gave us profit, and now came back, and it triggered again. So what I need to do is I'm going to put in a market order because it's went below my limit order price, and then I'm going to add another limit order. So let's start with the market order. Everyone following me, you should be getting a market buy on Matic as we speak. Well, this is a recording, so you might get it before you see the end result. So I've just placed the market order. This trade is in place, and the profit for this trade is going to be at that's going to be our profit. And now this is going to be our latest entry, and we're going to put a buy limit at 23.69 for Matic. Putting the buy or limit order in. So Matic is all sorted. All we need to do, our lines is in place. We can just readjust our alerts so we know which coins to look at, which one has moved and which one gave us profit, or which one triggered a buy. So our alerts for Matic is in place. We have 3 coins left. Litecoin. Litecoin did trigger and it's moving upwards again. It might start or be close to giving us some profit. So let's have a look at Litecoin. Where is Litecoin? Looking at Litecoin, it did trigger and the trade is currently up 0.5%. Giving you the opportunity and the full control. You can go and take profit if you like 0.5% of profit. Adjusting my Excel sheets and putting in my new buy limit order for Litecoin. Our buy limit is ready, waiting on Liberium, and I can just readjust my lines. My lines is in place, just updating my alerts. So my alerts is in place for Litecoin as well. Litecoin is all set up. 𝙏𝙤𝙧 has been struggling to get up. Well, we probably can't complain because it gave us quite a bit of profit the last week or so. It has to retrace and move up back again from there. Looking at this, triggering here, it might have given us profit on this trade already. So we might just re-enter our buy limit order. Let's see where's 𝙏 on Liberium and see 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑𝙬 is our latest entry on Liberium. 0324, it did trigger, and this trade is currently up 3.08%. So it didn't give us profit yet. It had to go up to 4343, and the high on this trade was 339, so it was just short of giving us some profits. We'll keep the trade open because it is going to eventually move into our profit line. You see Dodge. I'm putting my buy limit order in place, adding the profit on the buy limit order. So our Dodge is ready on Liberium Crypto. Gonna readjust our lines and enter our alerts. As you can see, we came just short of our take profit. Our entry is set up. Our first alert is in place. So our alerts is in place, our lines are in place, and Dodge is in place. And finally, our last one we're updating today is Atom or Cosmos. Seems like we had another buy limit order that triggered. Let's have a look at Atom 3555. Let's see on 3555 did trigger, and it's currently up 1.25%. Just gonna add our next buy limit. So our Atom trade is all sorted and in place on Liberium. Just gonna put my lines in, knowing where we're taking profit. Our latest entry level and our alerts. There we go. So our BTC Pair trading is all set up and in place. Make sure to look at the links down in the description. Make sure to follow the socials of Wolf Financials. And remember, hit and smash that subscribe and like button. Have a great one.